Hi guys, and welcome back to the online music school. So far we've had a look at how to learn the notes on the piano and how to play the major scales. Now it's time to take a look at fingering. Before we get to the lesson, don't forget to hit like and subscribe.
A maker.
The way from the tribe. Oh yeah, in Sofield.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Straight for us as we wait.
Today we're going to take a look at the fingering we use to execute each of the major scales. This is important because it helps us to develop finger coordination and dexterity as we progress in our learning of the keyboard. Let's get started with the lesson. And there you have it guys, the fingering for all 12 major scales, both on the left hand and on the right hand. Now please bear in mind, this is just recommended fingering. It will help you to improve your coordination, but if there's a way you find that's more comfortable to play the scales, feel free, so long as you're developing and improving in finger speed and coordination. Take the time to use this video to help you with your practice, so feel free to rewind and play it over again. And until next time guys, hit like and subscribe.